Hello beautiful people, welcome to Evergreen Kitchen. In today's cooking, I'll be showing you how to cook Uziza soup. Uziza soup is a native Igbo soup. It is very delicious and medicinal also. Please, if today is your first time of coming across our video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Now here are some of the ingredients I use in this soup. I use Uziza leaf, I use stockfish, dried fish, crayfish, snail, periwinkle, shrimp, liver. I used oil, yam as my thickener, maggi, salt, and then I hope I've said crayfish, and then watch how the soup is being made. Sit back and relax. Thank you.
Ups and downs, weathering lights. Can I really win? Yet I remember why I started. Resolve renewed my spirit hearted. For though the struggle may be tough, journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. Through dark and light, ups and downs, weathering life's trials and frowns, I'll keep my eyes on the prize, evergreen joy, my heart's surprise. For though the struggle may be tough, the journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. The battle's won and the skies are clear. Evergreen joy, my spirit's cheer. A lasting bliss forever true. This life's great gift given to you. Doubts arise, can I really win? Yet I remember why I started. Resolve renewed my spirit hearted. For though the struggle may be tough, the journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. Won't destroy. Through dark and light, ups and downs, weathering lights. Can I really win? Yet I remember why I started. Resolve renewed my spirit hearted. For though the struggle may be tough, journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. Through dark and light, ups and downs, weathering life's trials and frowns, I'll keep my eyes on the prize, evergreen joy, my heart's surprise. For though the struggle may be tough, the journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. dark and light, ups and downs, weathering lights. Can I really win? Yet I remember why I started. Resolve renewed my spirit hearted. For though the struggle may be tough, journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. Through dark and light, ups and downs, weathering life's trials and frowns, I'll keep my eyes on the prize, evergreen joy, my heart's
Right about now, our Uziza soup is ready, very ready. Guys, thank you for watching. You can give it a trial. Okay, bye.